Piecewise, we're going to plug it in, but we're going to plug it in the one that's appropriate. Notice, -1 is what? Less than 0, so I'm going to plug it in the top one. Okay? So 2 times -1 is -2, plus 1 is -1. Next question is, 0 goes in which one? 2 times 0, isn't it? 0 is in this one, because it can equal 0. Remember this one where you pick one, you do not put it in both? So I'm going to put 2 times 0 plus 2 makes it 2. And this one here, the 2 would go in the what? Bottom one, because it's larger than 0. 2 times 2. What you do is this here, on this piecewise. You're going to pick either the top or the bottom. And how do you know which one to pick? Based on what the numbers. -1 is less than 0, so it's the top. 0 equals 0, so it's in this one. 2 is larger than 0, so it's that. That's why I picked those.